Which dancing competition? I'll be there when I drop my water, but it's just to cheer you people.
Hey! I don't understand. Like, you do not know that the prince wants to choose his bride from the dancers.
I know he wants to choose his bride from the dancers, but I'm not interested.
Oh, Makan. Oh, Makan, you are not interested? Oh, my boom.
It's okay. No problem.
Good luck. I'll be there.
Okay, no problem.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
You see the Canada?
My your son.
I'm telling you.
And you know she can dance very well. Very well. Nobody will.
Let's go before we get late.
Mama, beautiful girls everywhere.
Holy, what is going on? Everybody's going to the palace. You still have water on your head.
Don't you want to be royalty?
I don't know.
I'm not interested. Moreover, I don't have strength to dance. But I'll be there today to cheer you guys up, clap for you. I can't wait to see who will emerge as the next queen of our kingdom. Mana for moi, I'm interested.
Well, that's on you. As for me, the prince is mine. The throne is mine.
The prince is ours. You know, there's going to be a lot of fun at the palace today. Please, better come.
Why are you begging her? Nay, if you like, fill all the drums in this village with water. Ego, let's go.
Congratulations. You have seen the glory of God.
Thank you. Better stop darling. No.
Let's
stop darling. Okay.
Okay. Continue fetching.
you, everybody. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother. The Cabinet and Chiefs, thank you. Thank you to the organizers of this dancing competition. I must confess, all the dancers really tried. They are all beautiful. Yes. But I just have to choose one, right? And that's my bride. And that's why we're here.
Oh, that's my daughter.
Therefore, I, Prince Olisemeka, the Crown Prince of Iseluku Kingdom, I thereby present her as my chosen bride.
Hey! What?
Huh? Hey! That's my daughter.
But that's my daughter. It can't be me.
No, it's you.
It can't be her. Yeah, of course, it can't be you. It can't be you.
Hey, quiet.
It's you that I
want.
No.
Ask.
Calm down, just breathe well.
Calm down, calm down.
This is
Don't say nothing, calm down.
Please, I'm talking to you. Calm down.
Everyone is confused. Adigo Koga.
Mama, please don't even tell me to calm down. Why don't you take things easy? Prince must be out of his mind.
What was that disgrace all about? Why would he disgrace me in such manner? Why?
No, that wasn't a disgrace. What I saw there was a huge honor.
Honor my foot, Mama. I do not want it. Is he the only person in this village that does not know that I'm betrothed?
No, I know the prince is aware you are betrothed. But
what? What? What flimsy excuse are you trying to make for him, Mama? Mama, listen, I will never, let me repeat myself, I will never ever in my life be his bride. I'm already in love with my boyfriend. It's not for me to decide.
the prince's words are fine now.
It's obvious you don't understand me, Mama. I'll wait for Papa to come back so I will repeat myself. Nothing will make me marry the prince.
Hey. How do I handle this now? How do I go about this? Yeah. Oh, Chimo. Ulemma.
Oh, no. My king, I believe you witnessed the disgraceful thing that your daughter did here today. Therefore, bringing my son into total embarrassment before these local people. I believe you saw that with your eyes.
Yeah, I'm very sorry, my king, for what happened. I'm deeply sorry. Very sorry. Believe you me, my king, I never saw this coming. I would have stopped it happening, even from home. I never saw it coming. Please.
Wise one. I still keep you in high reverence. Please tell us, what is the consequence for that total shame of display?
Igwe, elders in council, can anyone challenge his chi? No one born by a woman can challenge his chi without using the earth as a shield. Oh no, what your daughter did today is a total disobedience to the gods of this kingdom. Generational consequences shall be her reward.
Generational?
Did you hear that?
Oh no, henceforth, no man born by a woman can have carnal knowledge of your daughter. Hey. Else, the man will be consumed by death. Did you hear
that? Did you hear that? Go to your daughter and make sure that there is a line between her and this royal home.
Oh no, I have spoken. And it stands so, unless she changes her decision. Go home and tell her to retrace her steps and her decision. Only the prince of this kingdom has the right to have carnal knowledge of her. Any other one that does it Would you like your good more?
Please.
Oh no, what about the Libya? Gabaketa Berry Jagger is the begging. Oh no, Gabak Berry, you can go. Go to your house.
My daughter.
Hello,
My daughter.
Igwe.
No!
Welcome, my queen.
Ayabale. So all this for me?
Yes, Your Highness, including this.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You see that? I appreciate it. Guard! Please come. What was that?
So sorry, Your Highness.
Oh my goodness. Bring it.
We've also brought it here. We've also brought it. Hey!
Olisa, what was the meaning of that?
Sis, I'm sorry things turned out differently.
You're sorry? Oh, you're sorry? Is that all you have to say? You made me a promise, remember? You told me it's either my friend Ogechi or Amara you will get married to. So what happened?
Love. Love happened.
Love?
Yeah.
Do you know the embarrassment you caused me? Do you know?
Listen, I need you to calm down. Alright? Take it easy. The last time I checked, I have the liberty to choose whom I want to spend the rest of my life with. It's my life. I'm sorry, things happen this way. I didn't choose any of your friends, but come on. Just let it go. It's one of those things.
I should let it go?
Yes.
I don't even know why I'm standing here speaking to you. I will speak to Mom about this. Mom, who is that girl he chose?
Oh, you don't know her. He's Onowu's daughter.
Did he choose Onowu's daughter?
Do you have anything against that?
Yes. What? She's betrothed to another man.
I know.
You know. And yet, he chose her. Oh, wait. Are you going to pretend and support this madness of him? No! This is unfair! Uncalled for! That girl belongs to another. He wouldn't have picked her in the first place. This is uncalled for!
I know. I don't know. But if the girl is whom he wants, I wonder what you and I can do about it.
Oh, I see. Then he has me to contend with. Because I, Princess Adana, I will not be alive and watch that girl step her foot in this palace. Never.
Adana, do you have anything against that girl?
Uli, Mama, please, where is Uli?
You shouldn't be here.
Mama, is it because of what Prince did today? Please don't mind that Prince. Oh, he's joking. He can't be serious.
Uli, Prince Olisa is an authority in this kingdom.
He can be an authority over 20 kingdoms, but he's not an authority over my life. I know what I want. Mama, please, where is Obim now? Bikun.
Obinna is not at home.
Okay, I'll come back to check for. Tell him I came.
Unna chonyo na laugh. Tomaza I laugh takwa mmadu.
I'm just so irritated. You don't have to be mad at me. I did not dance. I was not there to dance. I was just there cheering people, hailing them. The next thing, the mad prince came and picked me.
Now you call him mad.
He's mad. Because no sane prince would choose somebody who is not interested in you.
Tell me the truth, Uli. Has he been making advance at you? Because I find it very hard to believe he would choose someone he knows nothing about.
My love, come on now. You of all people should know me. That's why I said he's mad. He has never approached me. We have never had any encounter. See, I cherished whatever you and I have.
Cherished?
I still do cherish what we have. I just want you to understand me. Please, listen. I love you so much. I love you. And I love what we share. I don't want him. I even made it open to everybody there.
He has no right to take you away from me. Absolute no right.
My love, listen. No one is taking me away from you. I love you.
Uli, I love you so much.
I love you too. I made it known to them there, but they're telling me that the gods are already supporting his decision. I told him, I am not interested. I'm already betrothed to the love of my life.
Please don't let them take you away from me.
Nobody will.
Please, I love you. I can't survive without you.
I love you.
Where is that girl? Where is she? Where is that stubborn fly that will go to the grave with the corpse? What was the meaning of that disobedience, girl? Do you know the implication of rejecting the prince of this kingdom?
Ezedibe, please, I am sorry. Calm down and forgive my daughter, please. I am begging you.
Woman, your daughter has incurred for herself a generational curse by turning down the direction of the gods today at the palace. Women and emotions. It is obvious you did what you did today at the palace because you are betrothed to my son. But listen, henceforth, nothing whatsoever connects you and my son. Stay away from my son. You shall live alone with that generational curse you have brought upon yourself.
What have you done? What have you brought upon yourself? Go now and apologize. Go and apologize to the king and to the prince. Do not say I did not warn you.
He said I should stay away from his son.
Is that what is important to you?
That is what is most important to me. I'm not.
About the curse.
Because of God here. About the curse. I love him, Mom.
Talking about love now. You're talking about curse. You're talking about love. It's not the most important thing, right?
That is the most important thing.
About the curse.
Come on, star.
Obinna! Obin!
No, Obinna is not at home. Welcome.
You saw the disgraceful thing that took place at the palace today.
I saw
Listen, woman. Obinna must desist from anything he has with her. Do you hear me?
No, but they are in love.
She is now of the gods, and no man is allowed to come anywhere close to her. Do you understand me?
Once Obinna returns, make sure you tell him this. I will also make sure that I deliver the message to him myself.
Oh, okay.
I am back. Get me something to freshen up.
Oh, my husband.
Bieba. Do you bet at all? Eh? Just look at the way you are smelling like a rotten corpse.
I'm sorry, I'm going home.
So what can concern me if they go out? They ask you whether you buy, if they say you do, we will get time for your generational course.
I'm going home to take care of myself.
I don't take concern us.
Better go and take care of yourself. Eh? See your nyash. Small nyash they leak.
Babe, more they go a bed. What did they do me now at the prince? Somebody smelling.
Jesus. Small nyash they leak. Your nyash they leak. Go and treat yourself, oh. Fear one.
Wait. What just happened right now? Amara, what just happened right now? I don't understand. The prince did it to us.
Hey! Hey! That bitch deceived us. That idiot that calls herself the princess. She did this to us and not the prince. Stop talking about the prince.
You know the year word. I don't tell you. Not trust this girl. Make we not trust this girl. You know the year. Now see. See what she has done to us now. See.
My sister, what should I have done? Hey. Eh? You saw how she was assuring us and reassuring us that everything will be fine. What should I have done? See, where my outrage lies mostly is on that chameleon. That idiot that calls herself Uli. You see that girl? I swear to God Almighty. Eh? She should be dealt with for causing this embarrassment and pains to me.
She said she don't want to dance that time. I asked him, you go dance? He said no.
She said no.
Only you go dance. He said what? He said no one dance. Then she now did this. Hey, I swear with everything that I have, if I see that girl, I kill him.
It will never happen. Let's go. See, wait. Look at the idiot. See the devil here. Hey. No. Go. Take.
Wait. What's going on?
Where?
What do you want to do?
We want to play. We are carrying bottles. We are just picking bottles.
Yeah, put.
I want to.
Okay, you don't turn people the pick bottle. Yeah, pick more.
No. We want to give it to those people that sell bottles.
Just carry them. Go. They come. We go pick more as they come.
Go, find more.
You sell it now. You sell it and give me money.
Go and pick more now. Only 2 is not enough.
Just they go first.
We'll
carry
still pick now.
Uchechi, why are people like this? Who would believe that girl would be this cunning and evil?
Ego, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes, of course. That girl, she used juju. I fear her. Snake in human form. After she made us believe that she was not interested in the competition.
I wonder.
Hey, not knowing that she has schemed her way into the prince's heart. Kai!
I don't understand. I don't get it. Is she more beautiful than us? Eh? She can't even dance.
Did she even dance? She did not even dance. She was just seated right there in midst of the crowd. And boom! The prince started walking towards her.
Like someone that has been hypnotized.
Started walking
Do
like
you know, I even gave the prince my bum. I wanted to shake it for him. He just pushed me
He
one
will
side.
not see your bum bum.
I felt embarrassed.
He's already attracted
I
to
can't
her.
wait to deal with that girl. Like, I hate her with passion right now. Yeah, I want to suck her blood. She's a devil.
I will cut off her head.
I'm so pained right now. Like, I'm so pained. My blood is hot. Like, Bia, Usu, Bat. That is what I choose to call you.
I prefer snake or even chameleon.
You're right.
Yes.
Girls, what is all this all about?
Oh, please close your mouth. You think I don't know? You've succeeded in using charms on the prince.
Well, I'm not interested in your prince. I did not snatch your prince from anyone. You can have him.
Please shut up. Shut up.
Liar.
I was a fool to have believed that any truth would come out of your mouth. You, this liar. You have tried. Clap for yourself.
Like, why are you such a coward? Huh? Why are you a coward? You should have told us not to bother going for the competition, that you're all glammed up with jazz to collect the prince from us.
Yes.
You've planned it with your father, do you know? You should have just told us to just relax instead of wasting our time.
Yes. Maybe you are the one that took us to the native doctor. See, let me tell you something. I am not interested in your prince. You can have him all you want, and I made it clear to him at the palace. Let me be.
Look at her. You cannot run away from the truth.
Why are you pretending? You love the prince. You've taken him away, but we will take him back, oh.
Yeah.
We will take him back.
Slimy bean.
You safe, you're just here talking. We don't do so.
Let me.
Come back here. Let's go. Since she was here, since you could not do anything, well, let's go. Here we go. Hi. I just feel like running after her now to just go and give her a big knock on her head.
Look, I know what happened today may stand as a surprise to you, but you have to understand that Olisa is married, and you must respect that. Okay?
Father! Oh, with due respect. I'm so sorry, but I'm surprised. Yes, very, very surprised that you could support your son to take what does not belong to him.
I don't understand. What doesn't belong to me?
The girl you chose belongs to another. She's betrothed. How could you? You made mockery of all the girls that came for the competition by picking her. Why would you do that? Why?
Well, I'm sorry if you feel like I made the wrong choice or I picked someone that belongs to another. But last time I checked, she's single. And that you made the right to marry her.
You don't have the right to marry her. Did you hear me? You don't! And I, Princess Adana, I will not be alive and watch you bring that girl to this palace. Never! Over my dead body. Wow. Yes!
As who?
Oh,
As your
listen,
elder sister.
both of you. It's okay. Huh?
Now listen. I don't want this to create a rift between both of you.
Then you have to talk to her. I don't like her tone. Tell her to mind her business and stay out of my business. What's your problem?
Olisa.
Listen, why don't you channel this energy and look for a man? What's your problem? Last time I checked, I'm the one getting married. What is wrong with you?
Olisa, I will not have you speak to me in that manner.
Stop. It's okay. I said it's okay. How long will you keep preempting issues? It's crystal clear that Olisa is married. And we must stand by it. The tradition demands that we must stand by it.
Father, count me out. Count me out. I will not be a party to that.
Nobody needs you. I don't need your blessing. It's fine.
Adana.
Thank you, Father.
Adana. What do you have against that girl?
Papa, Mama, all I am saying is that I, Ulima, would never marry the prince. I will never marry him.
Do you know why you know? Take it easy.
Ulim, is it all about the chief priest's son?
Papa, but you should know I would never choose the prince over him.
Hey.
My daughter, you should know I am supposed to be a very proud father, knowing that very soon you become royalty. And I should be proud to be called the father of the next queen of this kingdom. You know that.
You care so much about status that you don't even care how I feel or what I want. This is why you connived with the king and his son to pick me.
No.
Olima, stop.
Myself?
Olima, can you stop? You're talking to us, your parents. Talk to us with respect.
Mama, I am sorry if I've used any wrong word here. But what I'm saying is that I, Ulima, would never marry the prince. I will not marry him. Yeah.
A daughter, you know, we are not in that position to make decisions. We are not in that position. Papa. Even you yourself, you are not in the position to make any decision.
Papa.
But I'm talking about consequences. The consequences there.
Papa, I respected you to care about the feelings of your only daughter. I respected you to make the king understand that his son must be delusional and stupid when he chose me. But you wouldn't do that, Papa. Maki chori in-law igwe. The queen's father. Papa, please. I am not interested. I will not marry the prince. And there's nothing on earth that will make me change my mind.
Hey.
Love Abrokwa by force.
You can't say such words to the king. Can you imagine?
To see if we can convince her. Oburo chief or Lali. Oh, my.
Hey.
No, that will never happen. Never!
Obinna, listen, let me tell you. It is in the hands of the gods, and they are in support.
Then the gods are obviously drunk, Father.
Obinna, are you going out of your senses? How dare you blaspheme the name of our gods? How dare you? Do you know I can strike you dead with this staff? That you will die.
This is my only son.
No, Mama. Allow him to strike me. Go ahead and kill me if it will make you happy and add to your ego as the chief priest.
Just because of a woman. Obinna negodi fu puna mege. Ilileli. I know you grew up in this very kingdom and you know what the tradition is and you understand the tradition. Any woman the prince chooses a wife, the woman cannot say yes or no even if she does not like it. And no other man is allowed to lay claims to her body.
Father, the same gods brought about betrothal. And all witnessed the day she was betrothed to me. So they should just apply simple common sense to know they are being unfair to me. I cannot accept that.
So you speak for the gods. Obinna, on your bonarichi and also na babu and also. No one challenges the decision of the gods. Not even you. No one.
Mother, can you help me tell your husband that I, your son, will not let Prince Olisemeka take what is rightfully mine? It will not happen. So help me talk to him.
Nai. Obinna. Akoko di ebi enka o.
Stop. Only stop. It's okay. See.
Let me quickly finish up now so I can make you something to eat.
You have to start heading home. You know your mother. Next thing now, she will be bothered about your whereabouts.
You don't have to worry about my mother. I will take care of her.
You don't have to disobey your mother or be quarreling with her because of me. Head home, please. Let me
help you pack.
I will pack it. I'll pack it.
Okay, are you sure?
I'm sure. Stop. See, you don't have to be quarreling with your mother all the time because of me. Give it
sure?
I'm sorry, Onne. I'm sorry.
Why are you telling me sorry? As if I'm not used to it. Feel free, go ahead. Oh yeah, it's okay. You, eh?
Hey, sorry, Onne.
It's okay, don't worry.
You say you're used to it.
Are you not my boyfriend again? That is why I love you.
How can you be used to how? I used to the smell too.
That is why I love you. So don't worry. this time of the day?
But Mama, I thought I told you I was going for catechism in the church.
Which church? The same church I'm returning from. Did I see anybody that looked like you there, Chisom?
Mama, I was there, but...
Don't tell me you went to see that wretch after my warning to you.
Mama, I don't know what you have against him, but just know that he's the man I love.
The man you love?
Yes, Mama.
Do you hear me? The man you love. It's you, only you in this village that don't know that that boy is a cursed boy.
Cursed?
Mama,
how is he cursed? He's not cursed.
So you don't know that he's cursed?
He's not cursed, Mama. See, it's just that God has not remembered this boy. If God remembers him, I know that you will not be saying all these things you're saying. Hey, Mama, he's trying his best, oh. All these things you're saying is because he's just like that, oh. When God remembers him now, you change. Maybe Oburu Range Rover come and give him these days. You change your mind.
By farting up and down everywhere like an imbecile. He is.
Mama, he's really sick. He will get better. And he's a human being.
A common hunter. Chisomu. Make sure again. That go for nothing thing that is messing around like an imbecile. Come on, get inside, idiot. Don't zoom around.
Excuse me. Come here. You didn't see me. And you can't greet.
I'm sorry, my princess. I'm not feeling too well. I'm going to a place I will get proper medication. I'm sorry, my princess.
You should be sorry for your stupid self. Yeah, so because you're going to a place you're going to get medicine for your stupid sickness, that is why you could not greet the princess of Iseluku kingdom. How dare you?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Sorry for your stupid self. Next time, try it. I will deal with you. Get out! Fool! Bastard! See this fool? Stand up and greet me. I said stand up and greet me. I said stand up and greet me. Stand up!
Stand up and greet you. It don't happen. Eh? Did you say stand up? Stand up and greet you. Hey! Hello. Hey, Nna. Hey, Nna. You don't kill him now. You don't kill him.
No.
What's happened?
Hello? I didn't kill him. Hey. I only just, slapped and pushed him.
Hey!
He didn't greet me.
Because he didn't greet you. Now you kill him. That means he died from the intensity of the slap. Why did you slap him?
It was just a small slap.
Okay, just a small slap. Hey, Mama, go tell Mama say you slap and small, he die. Let me go.
No, please. I don't want anybody to hear of this. I beg you. Yes.
So what do you want us to do, Nana? Wait. You don't want anybody to hear about this.
Yes.
You want us to conceal the truth about a murderer. I don't fit to. Right? No. No, I want to understand what you're saying now.
I know. Please just reduce your voice. Let's just, you're my friend.
You keep it.
It's only you.
Who be your friend? Come and get her from here. Let's not go and tell the mother.
Please help me. I beg you. I beg you. Please just help me. Don't tell anybody. We can just make two of him. Let's just push him inside. Nobody will know where he is.
Let me hold this one for the first time. We are pushing him inside.
I can push him. I'm pushing him.
You can push him. You want me to touch him? Oh, okay. Let's do. I'm not thinking so. I know. We are going to Boom. You have put correct flesh. Thank you. Another today will give us takeaway. Of course. Me sweet. Very sweet. I just put on the leg. Biscuit bone. Biscuit bone. As if they are eating biscuits.
I never stop to.
You girls haven't said the reason for this meeting.
Okay, that's true. We called you here. We called you here because of what? You wait. No. Wait. Why you rush me? I'm eating. If I'm eating, I don't talk. If don't tire you to sit down here, go inside. You hear me, so? I don't want stress. Why you do like that now? Madam, I better respect yourself. I don't get power to talk, plenty talk. You hear me? If you tire you, go inside. We schedule for another day. We will still come back. Exactly. And we will eat first before we talk about that meeting. It's your choice. Nobody force you. May not say they talk bad thing. Now your choice. It's yours.
Okay, you are right. Do you want this meat to choke us? Let us finish now. And you know there is bone there. Oh.
Okay, fine. Can we talk now?
Wait, let me finish this one. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Should I tell her? Okay. Princess, we called this meeting because we heard your brother, the prince, has finally decided to pick his bride after waiting for several years. So, we were excited. Okay, right? We were so excited. And the reason for the excitement is that we know that you are going to make it happen. Yes. As the prince's sister, you will make him to pick one of us as his bride.
Excuse me? What nonsense are you speaking? Make what happen?
She declare nonsense.
Wait. You two know there is no way I will be able to suggest a wife for my brother.
My sister, you go do one. This is the whole talk now, so you go do one. When they beg you, you go do one. What are you saying? You are his other sister. You have power. Tell him what you want him to do. We don't want anything. We don't want your money. If your brother gives us his heart, at least he will pick one of us. Me, I'm fighting for myself. He will pick me. I don't know about you.
What are you talking about? He's going to pick me.
Okay. Excuse me. It's okay. But, wait. You said it's very simple. That everything is possible. So why don't you two come for the competition? Yes. Come and dance your way into my brother's heart. That way he will pick one of you.
So, this little tax of yours is impossible, right? It's okay, it's fine. If you don't want to do it, leave it now.
You people said my brother is tough. So how do you expect me to do his bidding?
Not vex me. I said you go do one. Is that your secret? Let's say you want me your secret there everywhere. You want me to talk him now? See people that you don't banish you. You forget what you do. Not try him, not just try him.
You want us to go and tell them that you're a mother?
Or you want
to mother cable now?
Okay, I don't know what they happen.
Okay. Just reduce your voice, I beg you.
Reduce which voice? But princess,
you want more meat?
You
want meat? You want meat?
Do this for us.
Go bring meat, come.
I can sing.
You don't need to send. Go bring meat, come. Let's go bring meat, come. They say you want to send
drink.
Madam, pass, go bring meat.
Add another drink. Another 4 cousin.
You say you want to send person. Go bring meat. You go, Abi, you no go.
No, I'm going.
Go now. The thing come.
Hello.
This is what I need right now.
Of course I know. Are you not my brother? Anyway, this is my only way to express my happiness towards, your intentions of getting married.
Well, sis, all I can say is thank you. Although I haven't seen the woman yet, but I'm hoping that during the dancing competition, I'll find a wife.
Yeah, dancing competition. Yeah. But do you think selecting a woman from that dancing competition, that any woman you select there, she will be a good woman for you?
Well, I don't know. I'm just hoping that the gods will direct me. I'm just hoping on the gods' direction, that's it.
Yeah, talking about the gods, their ways are perfect. But there's these two beautiful maidens that I have for you.
Whoa. Are you for real?
Yes.
This is shocking. Coming from someone that has never spoken to me about a woman before. This is new.
Come on, brother. You've never for any day mentioned your intention of getting married. So how am I going to come and tell you I have women for you so that you say you?
I see. Okay. Talking about these girls. Tell me more about them.
Forget about them first. Let's have a drink. When we're done, I will tell you everything you need to know about them. Yes.
Two of yours, they are very special.
Very, very special. Yes, so.
Never. 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 No.
There's nobody here. Thank God there's nobody here to hear this one. Hey!
Okay. Okay, I thought I told you to leave these clothes. That when I come, I'll wash them.
I was getting bored, so I decided to keep myself
let me take
busy.
over.
No, don't worry. I'm almost done. Only sit down. Sit down.
I have something for you.
What is it? Money? What is it for? Hey! I'm sorry. Oh.
Do you always have to apologize to me?
Stop
this thing you're doing. Everybody fat. Are you not a human being? So you're allowed to fat as much as you want to.
My own is somehow. I think this is a medical condition, yes. Because how can a grown-up like this be fatting up and down? Do you know every minute I'm fatting poo poo up and down?
It's not your fault.
Oh, this thing is even stopping me from doing business with some important personalities.
Stop this thing you're saying, Kim. If you could do business with King Udensi, who else can't you do business with? Stop. It's not your fault. Oh.
Now you have your way of making me feel good.
That's because I love you.
My love. Meanwhile, explain. Where did you get the money from before you can now give to me? Explain, because only.
Kim.
Where did you get it from?
Are you seriously asking me this? I expect at least thank you from you.
Okay, thank you. Where did you get it from?
My uncle came to the house to see us, so he dashed me some money. He said I should get some clothes and other things for myself. But on the other hand, I thought about you. I know you will need it more, so I brought it for you. At least you can use it to fix your leaking roof, pay your youth levy, and then you remember that debt you told me the other time. At least you can clear it.
But this is too much. Why don't you have some?
Don't complain. It's okay. It's okay. Just, you need it more. Make use of it well.
Hey,
you wet it with your wet hands.
No, let me arrange it. Oh, one time.
okay. You It's okay. It's okay. Then let me finish up this
Don't
one.
worry.
Don't worry now.
I told you I would do the washing.
What brought you here? Eh?
I'm here to see...
See who? You are here to see who? Listen to me, young man. The moment the prince of this kingdom chose you as his bride, everything you hold with my son, everything existing between you and my son ends. So desist from seeing my son, and I do not want to see you here or anywhere near my son, except you want to incur the wrath of the gods upon my son.
Papa, but I...
Will you shut up? I said I don't want to see you in this compound again, and I don't want to see you near my son again. Now leave.
Says who, Father? Why should she leave? Will
you come back?
Father, why would you ask her to leave? What has she done to you?
She is no longer for you.
Says who? You or the gods? Listen, I don't care what you and the gods think. Nobody will stop me from marrying Ulimma.
Inayala. Woman, can you see that your son is insane? Listen to me, young man. I have told you here and now that she is no longer good for you.
Oh, Father, you do not get to choose for me. I know what is good for me. She is good for me.
You know what is good for you, and she is good for you. Listen, don't dare me. I have told you what to do, and if you don't do it, I am going to curse you. And if you disobey the gods will strike you.
Oh, Father, go ahead. Go ahead. Curse me or even strike me dead.
What do you think you are doing?
Nobody can stop me from being with Ulimma. Not you, not the gods, not the prince, nobody in this kingdom. Uli!
Easy on him.
Ulimma!
He is our only son. What do you think you are doing?
My only son. I am better off without a son like him. I am better off without a son like him. I don't need such.
Like, this is my only son. Eh? I'm begging you. This is my only child. This is my only son. I cannot even born another child at this age. Hi.
Our wedding will be the highest.
I want that child that looks like you.
I want my son to look like me. I want him to be intelligent.
Of course, they will be intelligent. You know, it's in our DNA. You know? I love you.
Wow. Stop! You started again. Mama, what are you doing?
Mama, good to see you.
Come and get off from there. What is that? Obinna, you shouldn't be seen anywhere around Ulimma.
Why? Why wouldn't they see him anywhere around me? Can you hold me?
I am sure you know the tradition because you're the son of the chief priest.
Mama, don't tell me you support the unfairness meted on me by the prince and the gods.
Mama, I am sorry about the whole thing. I'd always wanted you to be my son-in-law. But it's not our fault things turned out the way it did. Yeah? Is this where you told me we are going?
See, Mama, I am not going to relinquish the woman of my heart for the prince or anybody. I will not let it happen.
Yes,
remove your hand there. Remove your hand first! Huh? Don't go close to him.
Mama,
stay your own.
Mama,
shift.
Please.
Yeah, I come shift, oh.
Mama, enough of this shouting, Enough of this shouting, now. I will just walk to the palace and tell the king and the prince to leave me and my boyfriend alone.
You dare not.
I will do it, Mama. Watch me do it.
Mama,
You better allow us to stay in peace,
I love Uli and it's Uli I'm getting married to.
I love you too.
Nobody will take you away from me.
Go home!
Mama, I respect you, but you have to understand my position in this.
I will use this on you.
Mama.
You will not live with him anywhere you're going with him. You still come back to